Hello, I'm Irene Insoy from Antipolo City, Philippines. I'm 42 years old, married with one kid, aged 7 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I also took vocational course as basic computer. I've been working for 3 years as a household for three members of the family, including one child, aged 3 years old, rather. And my my duties are taking care of the kid, preparing their meals, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, laundry, rather, marketing, and a grocery shopping and many more. I would like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs, especially for my daughter's future in college. To all employers in Hong Kong, please hire me because I'm a hardworking person, honest, loyal, and easy to be with. I hope to work with you soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.